Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, a warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to enrich with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end.
So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates.
Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today we will cover the 10th chapter, Patterns of Math Magic. Friends, first we know what is pattern. Pattern is a type of a repeated decorative design. Give a regular or intelligible form. A pattern is a regulative in the world, in human-made design or in abstract ideas. The elements of a pattern in a predictable manner. A geometric pattern is a kind of pattern formed of geometric shapes and typically repeated like a wallpaper design. We can observe a pattern in our upcoming slides. So friends, let us move on to our next slide. In this slide, we are going to deal with the sequence which is formed by extending the patterns. Let me help you out, friends, by drawing the correct sequence in these patterns. Friends, look at the first box. In this slide, here we can see there is a series of two lines and a circle. Two lines, circle, then two lines, circle, two lines. So friends, can you tell me what will come next in this series? Yes, you are correct. The answer of the given sequence in this pattern is circle. Next we can see there is a series of upside arrow and downside arrow. Upside arrow, downside arrow, upside arrow, then downside arrow. So what will come next? Yes, you are correct. The answer of the given sequence is upside arrow and then downside arrow. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on that button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. In this slide, we can see there is a series of letters V, A, V, A. So friends, can you tell me what will come next in this series? Yes, very good friends. Next will come V, then A. Next we can see there is a series of apple and mango. So what will come next? Yes, you are correct. Next will be an apple and then a mango. In this slide we can see there is a series of flower and leaf. So friends, can you tell me what will come next in this series? Yes, you are right. Next will come a flower and then a leaf. Next we have a series of circle and triangle. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So friends, can you tell me what will come next in this series? Yes, you are correct. The answer to the given sequence is circle and then a triangle. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, let us do some fun again. Study the pattern and fill in the missing numbers. In this slide, here we can see there is a series of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. So friends, can you tell me what will be the next missing number after 7? Yes, you are correct. The answer to the given sequence in this pattern is 9 and then 11 and then 13. Next we can see there is a caterpillar. Observe the series carefully. 22, 21, 20. So what will be the next missing number after 20? Yes, you are correct. The answer to the given sequence are 19 and then 18, then 17, then 16. Friends, I will provide you more examples, PDF, worksheet in our FB and Telegram groups. So don't forget to join our FB and Telegram groups. Link is in the description box below. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Complete the sequence. In this slide, we can see there is a series of even numbers in these leaves. 2, 4, 6, 8. So friends, can you tell me what will be the next missing numbers to complete the sequence? Yes, you are right. The answers are 10, 12 and 14. After that, we can see there is a series of buckets. Observe the series carefully. 27, 28, 29. So friends, can you tell me what will come next in this series? Check your answer friends. The answers are 30, 31, 32, then 33. In the last series, we can see there are many tomatoes. Observe this carefully friends. First number is 10. So what will be the next missing number? Yes, 20. Then 30. Then 40. Then 50. And the last missing number will be 60. Friends, I hope you all have enjoyed this lesson. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day's surprise question. Check your answer friends. The answer of the previous day's question is mango. Friends, look at the picture. It is the king of fruits and it is yellow in color when it becomes ripe. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The surprise is identify the pattern. Friends, listen very carefully. The pattern is A, E, I, question mark, then U. Friends, you have to answer me which letter fill this position. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.